Assalamualaikum ladies and gentlemen. The magazine is Abkari, your guide to a balanced, peaceful life. The editor is Sheikhul Wazaif Dr. Muhammad Tariq Mahmood Choktai Dawate Barakatum Alia. The topic is calm the chaos with this silent letter. Recite this 313 times every morning and evening with 7 times Darood Sharif before and after. All members of the household should recite the whether in the state of ablution or not. The more the more people recite, the greater the benefit will be. In the problem is very severe, recite in the thousands or even hundreds or of thousands. Aim for 1 lakh to 25,000 times and increase into several hundred thousand if needed. Continue with any other practice or supplications you are already doing, but focus your attention heavily on this one. Practice it with consistency. The greater the attention and focus, the greater the benefit. These letters are Ahdar Sasta Kalmu. Ahdar Sasta Kalmu. Don't it your son hit is evil. About 3 years ago, I come to the service of Sheikhul Wazaif for my son. He was involved in an illicit relationship with a gift from the house across, and he wanted to marry her. We were completely against this decision, and he had caused us immense distress. After much thought, we even considered hiring a hitman to kill him, as we felt there was no other way. This was especially hard for us, as we had prayed for years to have this child. When we come to Sheikhul Wazaif, he asked, "Why are you planning to hurt your son? Hurt his disease instead." We were very puzzled and asked how. Sheikhul Wazaif then gave us a powerful supplication using the silent letter Harufe Sawamat. Ahdar Sasta Kalmu. We were instructed to combine these letters and recite them in a focused and dedicated manner. We only practiced this for 3 to 4 days, but we did so with full attention. By Allah's mercy, our son stopped his wrongful action, and because fully obedient to us. Eventually, we arranged for his marriage to a respectable family, and now he has 2 sons. Since then, we have continued to attend the lesson and made a firm decision to never leave Sheikhul Wazaif guidance. I urge everyone to follow Sheikhul Wazaif's advice, as it brings the best of blessing by Allah grace through his guidance, and the prescribed practice over issue have been resolved. May Allah grant Sheikhul Wazaif a long life and protect him from all evil and trials. Ameen. The topic is enough. Please like, share, subscribe, comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.